Oh shit, he's in here. Hold up. Like counter. I always forget about it. Are we working? There we go. What up? How are you? Alrighty. What do we got flare wise? 1, tier 2. What do we got for today? 100k likes. So we actually only need 72.5, which probably won't happen. 1600 minutes of views won't happen unless we have like a crazy pop off. That's not gonna happen. Fuck. We're pretty much at our cap for the week, eh? Which is okay. I got some tier 1s. I might even crack a tier 1 today, potentially. That's good. Good to hear. Thank you very much for all the likes. Fuck off. Yeah, I might do a tier 1 today, tier 2 Sunday. Yeah, we'll see. I'll leave that one in the bank just in case. It's gonna be a slow night tonight, I reckon. I don't reckon we're gonna have much going on. But we'll see. We'll see. Just trying to look at this real quick. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, right. Okay. Any shifts? What do you mean, any shifts? What the fuck's happening here? There we go. Fucking wish I took profit on this. I'm probably going to come back up here and then draw down, we'll see. We shall see. Also want to change this to there we go. That looks better. Much better. Yeah, what do you mean, any shifts? Alrighty, not a lot going. Fucking man, these fucking Fridays, I swear, not a lot goes on, eh? We'll see. Money, what up, Jaden? How are we? Money, money, money. We all love it. If you say you don't, you're a liar. Retail sales, new home sales, nothing. Literally nothing. It's been quiet since last night. We'll see. I'll have a look at crypto. I'm sure fucking all the crypto bros will be in here earlier and I'll get a head start. Okay. Since last night, nothing's really happened. Yeah, nothing. Gold, because all the gold bros will be in here. Up day. What wouldn't be good to trade right now? That's a complicated question. I never recommend trading crypto at all. And probably, to be fair, something that wouldn't be good to get in is probably Bitcoin. Unless you're shorting it for like a long-term short. You don't want to be in that long. I mean, we have the potential to go higher, but the chances are once the majority of the group or the groups or the institutions or fucking whoever bought in at this level down here, they're going to take profit at some point, right? All these people buying in, blah, 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 blah. And then all these buyers, everybody buying all the way up. They're going to take profit at some point. What happens when they take profit? They turn into sellers, which drives the market down. So just have to see. Just have to wait and see if there's enough buying pressure to get or to continue our move upwards. No one knows. So yeah, probably crypto. I wouldn't fucking touch that. What I want to have a look at, pound Swiss I'm in. Let's have a look at my pound Swiss trade. Also in Euro CAD, which would have been a nice little profit there, but nope. Where's my pound Swiss at? No! Oh, I'm a fucking moron. What was I just on? What was I just on? Okay, Euro CAD. Fuck, I gotta stop doing that. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix fucking settings again. God damn it. Pound Swiss. I don't particularly want to take profit on this, but we are double topping. That is not a lot. 140's fuck all. I don't really want to take profit on that, but we're double topping. And we could see us coming back down here, especially holding it into the weekend. I don't really want those swap fees. Yes, I'm only in one singular trade, but I probably should have gotten out at yesterday's fucking high. But still, not enough profit for me. What up, Michelle? How are we? What market is that? Forex. You in Australia? Yep, Brisbane. Fuck it, you're coming off. Good and you? Yeah, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. I'm prepared for it. Thank you very much for the heart me. Thank you very much, Michelle. I'm prepared for probably a pretty slow stream. And thank you for liking the view. I appreciate that. How much are we up today? A little bit. A little bit. Couple hundred. It's been very slow. I had to adjust my settings to cater for market conditions, and it's just slow. Now that I think that the market is slowing down a bit from its kind of erratic movement, I think we will start to go a little bit more aggressively, because I've been very conservative with my trading due to obvious the economy and fucking Trump doing all this fucking bullshit. So yes. Yo, you gotta be related to Will Gibb? Yeah. Yeah, twins. Nah, he bases his whole persona off of me. Likes 3K from Charles, Megsy, 745, Narukio, 259, Michelle, 250. Michelle still holds the fucking record of most likes ever, which was like 19 or 20K. I don't know if she hit 20K, but it was fucking nuts. Thanks, Maddie, for liking. Yeah, it's gonna be a super slow stream tonight, I reckon. Which is unfortunate, but that's what we get on Fridays. This is what it is. Might do a short stream. We'll see how we track. We only got 8 viewers right now. It's like kind of depressing. How are you? I'm good. I'm fantastic. I had a good day today. Woke up kind of late, but kind of early. I don't know. It was pretty late to the majority of people, but gym, came home, straight into a meeting for ages, which just hurt my fucking brain. And then onto a bit of work, and now I'm streaming. So yes, I'm good, Matt. How are you? And how are you, amen? Top G followed. Thank you very much, Top G. We love that. Hey Matt, I was wondering if you can make Forex trading a full-time job. Look at me. Yeah, you can. It's not easy, and it's not what the internet portrays it as, but yeah, you can. If you apply yourself and do all the correct things, yeah. It's doable. What the fuck was I thinking? Good stuff, mate. I'm good. Coming from the Whit Sundays here. Do you live up there? Or are you just on holidays? It's fucking awesome. David. Mamusha Wangu. David with a bunch of... I don't even know what flag is that. Is that like the Senegalian flag or some shit? I don't even know. How long did it take you? Long time. 3.5, 4 years. Yeah, mate, been here for nearly 12 years now. Fucking hell. That's pretty nice. I've been there. It's fucking... It's very peaceful. I'm sure you get a lot of fucking tourists and shit, though. What? You know what I need to do? I'm going to set up. I'm going to set up like a follow sound alert. How do I do that? So when people follow me, there's a sound alert. Which I have no idea how to do. We can do this together. I should check this message. Fuck. That's wild. I don't know how to do this. How do we do this? What up, Lucas? How much are you making a month from trading? I swear you asked this, like yesterday. About 7.5% of my account. Depends on the month though, that's like an average. Yes, I'm in Ellie Beach. Yeah, I've been there. Grew up in Sydney. Best thing I did was move to North Queensland. Yeah, fucking oath. Better weather. Bit warmer. Yeah, Ellie Beach is super fucking nice. Super nice. Alright, what are we doing? No, I'm out of that. God. Come on. How do I fucking set that up? Sound effects. Can you guys hear that? What the fuck? I need to figure out how to do a follow. Oh no, not this bullshit again. It'll be in one of these. Live events. Expand audience. Okay, I don't know what that is. Anyway, I'll have a look at that in a little bit. Hey, Jablomi. Hey, would... Okay, fuck me. Now we've got to start making some cash in crypto. Oh, fuck that. Crypto sucks. Yeah, yup. Fucking hell, that's so weird. How much did you make today, man? Fucking a lot of people asking me. A little bit of money. Go to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube, and then go on the replay. I don't usually talk about it. Ad scene. What just happened? Okay. No. Add source. Here we go. Here we go. Alert. Add. Okay, we got this. I kind of want to do... Here we go. Alert sound. That is... Jesus. Yo. How can I... How... What does it need to be? MP3. Okay. Okay. Let's try and... What do you reckon it should be? We need to make this like... We need to make it weird. I reckon we got something good. Tom, how are you? Good, Goddess of Lightning. How are you? SBP84. Thank you very much for following. Hope your evening is going well. It is. It's going very well. We're at 13k likes already. Fucking good job, everyone. MP3, yep. Okay, Lucas. Oh, yes. Why is it not playing? Oh, yes. How do I? Oh, should I? Should I do it? Oh, do I do it? Oh. I'm doing it. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. Oh, wait, was that what that is? Oh. And I'm just gonna leave that for now. Oh, this is so bad. This is so bad. Oh. Under review. Oh, that's really bad. That's really fucking bad. I love it. Woo! Do it. It's happening. IP freely. Okay. Which one is it? Which one is what? Yeah, what up, Aries? Do you trade as a full-time job? I'm homeless. Yeah, I do. Did it allow it? Did that work? Why did it not? Oh, it hasn't done it. Wait, what the fuck? It's under fucking review. Okay. We gotta wait. Hold up. It's hot as fuck. Why is it so hot? Oh, what? Do you prefer NQ or ES? NASDAQ. What up, Sleepy? How are we? I need a haircut, man. Maybe this weekend if I can be fucking bothered. I look like a lion. Does this look like me? Let's get a photo. Bro, surely. Screenshot this. Whoa! Jump scare. Let's never do that again. Okay, back to somewhat pretty. As a new trader, can you give me any advice on making a transition to full-time trading? Well, it's very difficult, and you need enough money for your bills and everything. And you need a certain amount of money in your account as well, to like a certain amount of capital as well, to be able to continue to make money. And you need to be prepared for months that you don't make any money, because it happens to everyone. So I think last month I only made like 4%. I think I finished on. So even though like that's enough for me, but if you're newer, that can be detrimental. And I guess I am trading a little bit more conservatively, but still, when I'm not, there are still months like that. You got to be prepared for that. And if you're a new trader, you really need to work on everything. You need to know everything about, like, you can't just start trading and then make a couple bucks and then quit your job. It doesn't work like that, because you don't have the experience of negative, like a lot of negative months, or, you know, different market conditions or anything. You need experience in that sort of thing. So it takes time. It takes a lot of time. This song sucks. That'll do. Zimbabwe? Okay, I was close. I think. Is that like... Zimbabwe to Senegal. Wait, no, I didn't say Senegal. I said... Did I? I knew it was some form of African flag. I can't remember what I said, I swear. Senegalese. I don't know what the fuck I said. Okay, maybe I was on the completely wrong side of Africa, but hey, I got the continent right. God, we're so slow today. There's not much going on. I might need a... I'll hit the flare. Alright, wrong one. Let's get a flare going, see if we can get some people here. We'll just do a tier 1, because fucking don't want to waste a... Tier 2. Would you recommend a course or stick to ChatGPT and Google? Well, ChatGPT is okay, but it's not going to be able to teach you everything, right? So, okay, so I've done multiple courses, multiple mentorships, watched hundreds and hundreds of YouTube videos, all the Google, all this shit, right? There's only so far you get. And the majority of the time, what that sort of stuff will actually do is be very detrimental to your trading. So you won't actually make much progress, because a lot of the stuff that you see from this guy or fucking this website, that website, it's all conflicting. And the other thing is a lot of it isn't the correct information, because this is such a scammy industry, and it's such everyone just wants to sell the get rich quick scheme shit, which is what it's fucking everywhere. There is virtually no one, any big, internet personality that says they do trading, the majority of them will not. Like they just won't be doing it. Anton Creel, he's good to listen to about that sort of shit because what he says is true, and you can't believe all the bullshit that you see online because it's not true. And it's that they're in it, they have a negative agenda towards this industry, which is getting affiliate payments from the majority of them are brokers owned by their friends or prop firms owned by their friends, and they just rake in the affiliate commission and that's basically and sell you this lifestyle that they're living as if it's what trading is actually about, which it's not. You cannot sit on a fucking beach and make money from your phone by hitting buy or sell. It's not possible. And if it was, every single human on the planet would be doing it. It's, unless you're doing super long swing trading and you can just analyze where a position is from fucking, monthly lows or something like that, and you're going to be sitting in that for the next fucking 6 months, you can't, I can see someone potentially making money that way, but you can't fucking hit buy and sell intraday and make money from your phone. It doesn't work. So the answer to your question is that there isn't really much on the internet. And then here I go talking about my own shit. I've got like a mentorship where I teach people everything that I know. Is it going to work for you? I don't know. It works for other people. It depends on you, your psychology, how you want to trade. You're probably new here, so you'll find this a lot, this is the most non-bullshit community you'll ever find. It's just the most straight up honest answers about everything. And yes, you can make money from trading and you can fucking become financially free and all that shit, but it takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of effort, and the majority of people don't see trading as that. They see it as press buy and sell on your phone and make a lot of money, which is just not how it works at all. You need at least minimum laptop, and you need hours of research and personal development in the trading space to be able to become successful in this industry. So yeah, just be careful. I have a mentorship, right? It's one of the cheapest in the fucking, literally the cheapest in the industry, because that's not where I make my money from. And I have affiliate links that I have made $0 from. I've signed people up, made $0 from. The majority of offshore sketchy brokers have offered me money to join with them, but I'm not a sellout and I'm not going to do that. I get fuck all from any affiliate links or anything that I have here. We're not about that shit. But if you want to learn, I'm the best guy to learn from. And yes, I'm fucking hyping myself up, but mate, you've just hit the fucking gold mine by finding this stream. Because go on to my free Discord. I got a free Discord. I talk to everyone. It's just all the one-on-ones. I trade with a expert advisor or like a trading bot, so it gets me in and out of trades. It's probably 70 to 80% automatic. It took me months and months and months to develop. It's not some bullshit and you get that for free in the mentorship and all of that stuff, blah, 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 blah. But before you do that, jump in the free Discord, talk to me, send me messages, ask me questions. It's fine. And I kind of shoot myself in the foot by doing that because, I'm not monetizing my audience the best way I should, but I don't give a fuck. I literally don't care. Anyway, Kulan, thank you very much for following. AMAC, thank you very much for following. Hey man, I keep seeing these sketchy as courses on Insta. Are they fake? Yes. 100%. And that ties into what I was just saying, right? People make it seem very believable. They drive around in these fucking Lamborghinis and fucking in Dubai and blah, 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 and sell you this dream that you're going to be able to make $20,000 from your $1,000 when it's fucking not going to happen. It would take you, without gambling, okay, you can do it if you gamble, right? But you're full on gambling and it's extremely high risk and the chances that you lose that money are huge. So yeah, just be very cautious about this industry because it's scammy as fuck. Piece of shit industry. Is trading in Forex hard for beginners? Yep. It took me 2 years before I put any of my money in. And it was just learning. But to be fair, I was learning from the wrong people. Once I found my mentor years ago, then it was an expedited process, you could say. Because he was a lot like me. It was no bullshit, just straight to the fucking point. And then once you realize those sorts of things, and then you take the slower route and the legitimate route instead of trying to get rich quick, that's when you start to see great progress. Cheers, mate, legend. All good, brother. Tom, could you please tell us about a good amount of profit on a daily basis? Well, it depends. So, it's a great question though. It depends on your account size, right? So you could have, and I always say this, and this was a statistical statistic that I read about a while ago, was that on average, a legitimate profitable trader makes between 3 and 10% per month, right? So say you have a $10,000 account, you're going to be making, if you're a profitable trader, between $300 to $1,000 a month, if you can get to that point, right? If you have a $100,000 account, you're going to be making 3 to 10K. You know, goes on and goes on and goes on. So if you only have a fucking $1,000 account, you're making $30 to $100 a month. It can be very slow. Although I'm gonna hype up one of the fucking members in my mentorship. Motherfucker with a $1,000 account made $123 this week using my bot. Like, crazy. Absolutely fucking crazy. Absolutely fucking crazy. And he's sitting there, this guy fucking, he's not in here at the moment, he's usually in here. He actually is spending hours learning, and he's fucking new to this shit. He's so new to this shit. He utilizes the fact that I give free one-on-ones in the mentorship, and he gets on the fucking phone with me, and we talk about this shit, and we talk about trading, and he's absolutely killing it right now. He fucking listens. He's going a little bit more risky than I would, but it's just what he wants to do. Switch market is easy to learn for beginners. I say Forex all the time. Forex is probably the fucking easiest to learn. Currencies. It's where I started. It's where I still am. Almost 5 years later. So, yeah. Just my opinion. Other people might say differently, but you know, this is the largest financial market in the world. Trillions, I think it's like 6 trillion a day flows through the financial markets, through Forex. Foreign exchange, sorry. Tell us about loss too. What do you want to know about losses? Let's say under 5K, so you think 3 to 10% per month is a good amount? 3 to 10% per month is a fucking insane amount. People think because they see online these 100% people tripling their accounts, it's fake. It is fake. As a complete beginner, how can I start learning with a small scale account? That's a great question, and it's difficult, right? It's difficult. You could do what this guy's doing, the guy in the mentorship, and he's going aggressive. I don't particularly recommend it, and it's probably not the best way to go about it, but there are ways that you can do these sorts of things, right? And grow small accounts, but it is very high risk, right? You can, what I recommend, right, is starting and then building the account using money that you work for, right? Get a fucking job and work for the money and add it to your account. It's what I did. It sucks, but it's the best way to do it. The idea of hitting a pump on a fucking meme coin is bullshit. It's all insider trading, people with fucking massive communities. It's rubbish. So you got to get that mindset out of your head that the best way to scale with a small account, the best way and the safest way as a beginner is to work very hard, and any fucking second of the day that you have, spend that on educating yourself and learning and getting better at trading. It's the best way. That's so good, bro. I'm going to join the Discord. Thank you. Broads, thank you very much for following. Did my, do we have my alert yet? Are we running it? There we go. Oh, we've got it. We've got it. So the next person that follows is going to get it. That's going to be funny as fuck. I don't know if I'll be able to hear it, but next person that follows. Anyway, bros, thank you very much for following. I've just started investing, but not like this. Yeah, I mean, long-term investing's safer than this sort of thing and better for beginners. Do you think if there's a possibility to make more, maybe a good position that we spot is okay? Yeah, that's fine. Like if you see a super high probability trade, so someone pointed this out to me, was AU, right? Aussie dollar, US dollar. We are at, this is the weekly chart, right? We are at like pretty much all-time lows. Obviously we have COVID here, which is a little bit different, but we are at all-time lows. This is a fantastic, that's fucked. That's so fucked. That is actually so fucked. There we go, Speedy's in here. We were just talking about you. And we are now, this high probability trade with Aussie dollar, US dollar. This has the potential for, if you want to hold this for a couple of months, oh my God, that's so bad. That's so bad. Can I keep that, or is that too fucked? Is that too fucked? Jesus Christ. But yeah, anyway, you can take high probability trades because the probability of this continuing to go up is quite high. So yes, you can take trades here and there, get fun accounts. That's what I did. That was on my biggest trade ever, was US dollar yen. I took a risk. This was not a part of my fucking plan, but you know, we had an intervention at this level before, which is when the Japanese pump money through the fucking markets to reduce the trading price because they can't trade. It's too expensive for them to import and to trade at these levels. That's why they intervene. That's why you get these massive pushes down. It's all Japanese dumping billions, if not trillions of dollars into their currency to drive the market down, to basically create these huge downtrends. That's why it's very risky to trade yen pairs, because they do this a lot. You can see it. How many times has this happened? This was the first ever one. So 1, 2nd, 2. They tried here, failed. So I'd say 3, 4. I reckon that was another one, another failed attempt, 6. So 6 times they've done this. But yeah, that's what I did. I got up here, and obviously this is an extremely, they intervened at around 150 last time. We got a little bit above it, and I literally hit the fucking jackpot. And that was just a high probability, risky trade on a fun account. And we made bank. So, holy shit. So, yes. Is this Axiom? No. Diamond followed me. Thank you very much. Don't waste your time with futures. Yeah, I don't like them. Also, could you please talk about how to differentiate between how much to put from the profit back into your account and how much to take out? Yes, I will in a second. I just got to catch up. Campbell Norris, thank you very much for following me. Luke, thank you very much for following me. Well, yeah, that's fucking criminal. Well, damn. Yeah, sorry. That's absolutely fucked. I'm still in UJ. We could see levels back down here. And then, let me just have a look on here. I mean, so am I. I'm in buys too, but... Jesus fucking Christ. That's so bad. I mean, yeah, we could see back at yesterday's low. Fuck. That would have been a good out for you. Potentially. I don't actually know how long you've been in it. But this is why I don't like trading yen pairs, and why you might need to take them off, because this shit happens very frequently. But usually on M5, you should get a few outs, but I think maybe because you took profit on one of the positions, instead of like holding all of them, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, laddie. What do you prefer to trade? Forex, 100%. Daz Wood, thank you very much for following. Bro, what was that? Once I'm close to break even, I'm out and we'll shut them off. Yeah, all right. Hold on, I gotta turn the aircon off. It's fucking freezing. Cold, cold, cold. Cold. Meow. What up, Sienna? Yeah, I added a following sound. It's pretty fucked. Your strategy is support and resistance? No. But I do use support and resistance on the daily to get out of trades. So what was Sleepy saying? And so Sleepy, that is entirely up to you, right? If you're trying to build an account, or if you're happy with what sort of capital you have and you want that steady income, plus you need to prepare for a black swan event, because it might happen. You know, you never know what the fuck's going to happen, if there's going to be another 2008, another Brexit, another fucking COVID or something like that can wipe out your account. So, my opinion, it's best to keep a certain amount in and get out with profits, and then stay at a steady amount. But yeah, really depends. Depends on the person, what you want to do with the account. If you're trying to grow it, then you're going to have to run that risk of a black swan event. Wait, I want to try. I'm going to refollow 8 on the minute. Crypto. What about crypto? so bad. Fucking hell. I don't know if I can handle that. Fuck, Jesus. Yeah, I did. It was Xander's idea originally. I just got the idea from Xander. He told me to do it. And then I was like, fuck it. Let's do it. Well, basically, during COVID, everything was fucked. So I don't think I have that much. I think Euro US dollar, I've got COVID data. But I mean, Jesus Christ. But anyway, there was basically just everything either crashed or pumped, right? And I wasn't very... I've tested through COVID, but I wasn't... I don't even think I was in the market when that happened. Like, I got in a little bit after that, so I can't tell you exactly what happened. I've back-tested a million times through COVID, but yeah. It was stuff like this, right? And that is insane movement. You don't see it that quick. I think that was Ukraine, Russia. So yeah, just gotta be careful for events like that that can move so fast and blow entire accounts within a day. Stock market will crash in 12 seconds. You reckon? Looking sweet to me, brother. Why do you say that? Okay. I don't. Nah, I'm not changing it. I might change it. We'll see. We shall see. God, look at the book. I've been trading gold. Nah, I don't trade commodities. I don't really like gold. It just moves fucking so strange. And yeah. It's a good market structure, but for how I trade, it doesn't align with me, so I don't trade it. Where am I from? Brisbane. I was supposed to go down the coast today, but the roads were blocked due to flooding. Yeah, I saw something on the news when I was at the gym about flooding. Is that down where you are? I don't even remember where you are, to be honest. But, yeah, fuck. Adelaide here, nice. Yeah, where is everyone from? You work in Brisbane? Nice. Where are you from? So we got about an hour down the road. And turn around and I ended up going to school. Oh, rip. Sydney, yeah. Oh, God. Sunny Coast. Nice. Eunice Rezquella, thank you very much for making my ears fucking bleed. It's fucking loud in my ear too. That's fucking horrible. Fucking hell, last night I was on the balcony, and I kid you not, the hospitals over there, and you get these helicopters flying in, and holy fuck, this thing was so close to me. I managed to double my own money on gold in my first 7 weeks of trading. Congratulations, you got extremely lucky. And we're probably gambling. So that's nuts. Yeah, I see that all the time. I get heaps of messages about shit like that. Like, people fucking doubling, tripling their money. Someone actually, fuck, who was it? Someone in the Discord. They were listening to me, and they were like kind of using my strategy, but risking way too much. Was it Sean? Yeah, it was Sean. And he literally 10x'd his money. He went, he turned $100 to $1,000. And I was like, bro, stop, please. You're gonna fucking blow it, risking that much. And like 2 weeks later, he's like, I should have listened to you. I blew it. Fuck. Jesus Christ, that is bad. Is that loud for you guys? Oh, yes. Full volume. I'm going full volume. That was half. I'm going full volume on that shit. Lots of longs. Maybe. On what? I think I just need to fine tune things a bit. Maybe a risk. What's looking good to invest in? I don't do long-term investing. Daniel, thank you very much for following me. No, it's just annoying. I feel like you're the only one that thinks it's annoying, Sienna. Everyone else loves it. Nvidia? Possibly. Thank you very much, Nick. Oh, we're back. I haven't looked at Nvidia in ages. We're pretty much back. Nice. Tesla too? Shit. I mean, that's just what you gotta do, eh? When they're like, I need to jump on some of these things. I mean, this one's obviously still fucking probably a pretty good trade, but I might start looking into stock. I just don't have time to do that, actually. But it wouldn't be the worst idea. Nick, thank you very much for following. It's terrible, but I also have to deal with the class of boys, and they are much worse. Yeah, fuck that. Yuck. Boys. Wow. Wow, what? And before you know it, it's Friday once again. Let's go. Made it through the week. Good job, Matt. Hope you had a good week, and I hope you enjoy your fucking weekend too. Yes, Apple. There's 7 girls in a class of almost 30. Fucking hell. What is everyone doing this weekend? I want to know what people's plans are. You know what I mean? What's everyone doing? What are the plans? Birdshop, thank you very much for the liking. Will do. Bro, same to you. Have a good one. I will. I want to know the plans of everyone's weekend. Tell me what you're doing. I want to know about everyone's lives. $36 fucking K, that's wild. Michelle hit 10K. Thank you very much. Jesus. Charles, 7.7. Meegsy, 4.5. Sienna, 1.7. Campbell, 700. And then etc, etc. Fuck me. Good job. Thank you guys very much. We've been absolutely killing these fucking likes. Honestly working, but it's honestly temporary. Fuck, rip. Yeah, fuck that. I'm seeing my grandparents because they're moving to Bathurst or something next weekend. Interesting. That's interesting. Going out for some dinner with the lads and having a few bevs. Oh, that sounds amazing. That sounds absolutely amazing. You're winning so far, Matt. But nobody wants to fucking tell me what they're doing. Matt, with a hat and a motherfucking mustache. Thank you very much. And 4 tiny dinies. Bro, thank you so much. Save it. Save it. Drink a vodka Red Bull for me, but. Drink a vodka Red Bull for me. Relax and see some friends tomorrow. Watch the footy. That sounds pretty fucking good. Enjoy it, mate. Bro, thank you so much. I do really appreciate that. Mate, I'll have 10 of them for you. Fuck, I'm jealous. Yeah, do it. You won't, you're scared. The old Matt would. The old Matt would. I don't know about this new one, you know. I think he's getting a bit soft. Bro, thank you so much for that. It's fucking super nice. Oh, what were we looking at? This is a higher high, correct? I mean, yeah. Like, I guess. It's not particularly great market structure though. You get a lot of this shit on 5-minute time frames. It's a bit choppy. When you're looking for higher high, higher lows, or lower highs, lower lows, this kind of indicates that. So you have your high here and your low here, and you got your lower high, your lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then that forms market structure. It's how the market moves in trends. And then you get, you know, your support and resistance, and then you get a break, consolidation, and then back into market structure. It's how the market moves time and time and time again. Little educational lesson there for you. The old Matt would have already had about 10. Would have had about 10 in him by now. Migsy, you're awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're awesome. You're always in here spamming the shit out of the likes, so thank you for that. Yeah, the old me would have about that in me too. Shots by Jeremy, thank you very much for sharing. Just started taking day trading seriously. Good job, good job. Hang in there. It's going to be a long journey, but stick with it. What are you trading, Forex? This is confusing for me. Probably, yeah. Don't worry about it. You trade on 1 minute or no? Fuck no. 1 minute time frames for absolute psychopaths. I use 1 hour for my higher time frame biased, and my lower time frame is 5 minutes for my confirmation and my entries. Baba Sakar, thank you very much for following me. Thanks for that. All good. What coins are you mainly trading? None. I have a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of XRP. That's it. But I don't trade coins ever. Oh shit. Actually, Matt, you'll be up here now. Hold up. You might be in here. Where's this fucking... I don't know how to do this shit again. Fuck. That's bad. None of this makes sense in my little head. Yeah. It won't. There you go. Matty, you're in here. Thank you for that. 5 to 5, go right to. Yeah, I mean, yeah. You crazy motherfucker. I mean, it's working though, but it's fucking stretching me out. Stressing me out. Fucking hell. 100k Chevy B, thank you very much for following me. Bro, that flow noise is gold. It's fucking criminal. It is criminal. Hold up. It's so bad. Thoughts on Walmart? Well, Walmart just... I'm not going to lie, I don't even know if they're a publicly traded company. They have to be, right? Like, there's no way they're not. I don't trade stocks. There's no way they're not, right? Yeah, okay. I've just never even looked at it. But they indicated that there was going to be a 20% increase in... sales for next month, I believe. I saw that somewhere. Walmart expects 20% month-on-month increase in online sales. So that could be good. That could be good. For the stock price, at least. I don't know. I don't trade Walmart. Nothing to do with it. I didn't even know it was a publicly traded company, which, I mean, I should have known that, but I don't follow stocks, so yeah. By the looks, man, I know whatever you do, you must be goated. What do you do? Are you talking about the fucking... Are you talking about the fucking side of me? The size of me, or what? You know? Yeah, I trade. Currencies mostly, sometimes indices. If I'm feeling like it, not right now. Yes, thank you, Sienna. I do trade, yeah. Maybe I should make me screaming the fucking follow sound instead of what it is right now. But thank you very much, Trend T. I appreciate that a lot. I do enjoy what I do, which makes it a lot easier, and I feel like I never work. I feel like I haven't worked a day for fucking almost a year. Complete freedom. Yes, bro, that would be so funny. Yeah. I think you just want my current follow sound to be gone. 45k fucking likes. Let's go. Thank you, Brad Taylor, for making my ears bleed. Michelle, 12k likes. Charles about to hit 10k. Megsy at 5. Sienna at 3. Campbell 700. Bert Chop at 400. Yes, I do. What's my highest amount I earn in a day? Don't do it. Was I on US dollar yen already? Oh, thank God I was. Fucking hell. It was US dollar yen. Right here. November. I kept saying October, but it was actually November. November 2023. I caught this move doing a super high risk trade on a fun account, and I made a lot of money. But that was over the course of fucking, yeah, a month. But yeah, come on. I for reasons you probably understand, I don't usually disclose big wins and stuff, dollar figures with that sort of thing. Every time, yeah, it's fucked. I don't know. I actually genuinely don't know if I can keep that. It's pretty bad. I also have my headphones in and it scares me every time. It fucking scares me too. It's loud as shit in my earphones. I don't know if it's as loud for you guys, but holy fuck. Do you take students or are you doing content for yourself? Yeah, I got a free Discord and I got a paid mentorship as well. The links are in my bio. If you want to jump in, come have a chat, start learning. The paid is $47 a month, US. And the free one is free. And it's very in-depth. All right, let me go take it. It's pretty cheap. Yeah, for sure. It is. It's one of the cheapest in the fucking industries. And my mate got his lappy today along with my affiliate link. Mad. Good job. Start earning some money. That's another thing, Trend. You can, if you refer people, because Speedy, Visionary AI Reels, is in the mentorship, you can sign people up. I need to get a clipping thing going. I got fucking, so I was in this meeting today and this guy was like, what the fuck are you doing? He runs a Discord of 25,000 people in trading. And he was like, what the fuck are you doing? You should be charging fucking way more, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, nah, bro. Like, I don't care. And he was like, you're fucking insane. Have they? Damn, that sucks. How the fuck did Michelle get to 12.8 but you got cut off at 3.4? That's wild. How much? 13K? Charles broke the 10K. That's crazy. Alright, this live we hit 50K. Holy shit, we actually might hit our goal today, which I did not think we would. And I don't really want to ask for it. 23K. I don't know. Honestly, your generosity will reward you more, man. Yeah, I get that a lot, but it's honestly, it doesn't faze me that I charge virtually nothing for it, because I know, like, to me, it's like a smaller amount of money, but to other people that are like trying to get ahead and whatever, it can be like a significant amount of money. So, you know, trying to find like a happy medium to that and making it literally, I couldn't make it any cheaper than that. I literally couldn't. So, yeah. We are back. Awesome. Man, I swear I heard fireworks, eh? Give me a second. I don't know. I fucking heard, I heard another bang, but yeah. I'm just now seeing things about becoming a trader. Is this like the stock market? It's similar, yeah. And you can, I mean, you can trade stocks as well. That's fine. Trading the stock market's a little bit different to what I do, but it's the same concepts and everything. And trust me, Chelsea, once you start seeing it, it's never gonna fucking stop. It's gonna flood your entire fucking, it's going to flood your entire fucking feeds on everything, and don't fall into the trap of quick, easy money. Anyone showing Lamborghinis, holidays, make money from your phone, don't do it, because it's fake and you won't make any money. What are you trading exactly? Foreign exchange market, so currencies, currency pairs. This is US dollar, yen. So the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. If you want to watch, I've got a beginner video on fucking everything, but I need to go up. Yeah, you do. I don't know if there's going to be, I mean, you probably won't get shit. We got a little bit of Canadian news, but that won't do dick, and new home sales won't do dick either. What? Oh. I was like, what the fuck? Why the fuck is he talking? I mean, it'll be a different time in the US, but it'll be Sunday Arvo. For them, I think. Sunday night. No, Sunday. I don't know. During the day. And then they got a bank holiday too. You might not get, Speedy, you might be fucking Memorial Day. Oh, okay. You might be sitting in that for a little bit, eh? Unless we get something. Oh, whoops. Good evening, Fair King. Is it going to be a late night again? Yeah. I'm not going to go live at fucking whatever time I went live again last night, like 1 a.m. though. I'm not doing that. That was fucked. Feel like I'll be in this. Yeah, you might be. I was going to start getting into Amazon programs. What do you mean Amazon programs? But I'm seeing a lot of people trading. You will, and trust me, almost all of them aren't making money. Just look through some of your content. Do you trade Forex only? Yeah, Forex. I trade indices too, and have done for years, but just at the moment with the way that the market's opening at the moment, it's very just all over the fucking place. I'm just not trading them, but I will jump back more into it shortly, maybe in a month or so. I'm just worried about this Israel fucking Iran fucking nuclear bullshit, because that might just go fucking nuts. I don't know. And Trump, all this fuck. I just want things to calm down a bit more before I get into the indices again. What up, Tommy? You're never gonna let that fucking go. That was so bad, bro. Jesus Christ. And sorry, my content is absolutely terrible. It's just me, and I've got no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I'm new to social media, so it's pretty shit. Do you need money to start out doing this? Yeah. You need capital. But your education comes first. So you're going to need to educate yourself for quite some time before you even want to put any money into it. However, you can use demo accounts. So you can use virtual money. to basically test your ideas and strategies and how you're going to be trading and what goes wrong and different market conditions and all of that stuff. It's very in depth, and it's not as easy as what the internet portrays it as, but you can, whilst you're learning, you can, I don't know, get a job, save. That's what I recommend to people, is just save and save whilst you're educating yourself. And then once you're proficient and you're able to start making money consistently, that's when you put your money in. That's what I did, but it took me 2 fucking years. But here I am now, ahead of fucking 95% of other people my age. Did you say most people aren't making money doing this? Yeah, it's all for show. Pretty much everyone on the internet, it's all fucking showboating. They don't know what they're doing. They're promising these huge fucking returns, which is just bullshit. They're trying to get you into their signal providers, or fucking trying to get you to, oh God. Trying to get you to buy their fucking PDF or video fucking course bullshit, and it doesn't work. Their shit doesn't work. The way that I trade is so unconventional to the average day trader because it works. And the majority of people that see my shit, they're like, nah, doesn't work. And it's like, okay, righto, have fun. You can come talk to me in 6 months when you fail. Ben Harris, thank you very much for following. What do you trade? Forex. Montana. Def appreciate your honesty. All good. I'll stick with the Amazon route first. Explain to me the Amazon stuff. What you were talking about with the Amazon. Fuck, I bet Michelle's going crazy with those likes. Almost 15K. Nobody's catching you, Michelle. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm really curious to know what this Amazon shit is, because I'll probably give you an honest answer about that, considering I've done multiple different side hustles, you could say, and footprint charts? Jesus, thank you, Super Trooper, for following me. Is this for stocks? This looks like a stocks only indicator. Never even seen this. Futures. Yeah, okay. I don't trade. I've never traded futures, so. It's kind of cool though, but nah. There are programs you can apply for and get paid to just review items in your home. Yeah, okay. You might be able to make a couple bucks off that, but I don't know. Some make 2K a month, some 40K. I guess depends on how much time you invest. Really? Yeah, I don't know about that. Looks like there's Amazon Vine and Amazon Influencer Program. Interesting. Futures, order flow footprint. Tips for starters. Oh shit! Bird chop with tofu cat, and a heart puff. Thank you very much, Bird chop. Just wait till you hear the follower sound. Wait till you hear the follower sound. You're gonna love it. When someone follows, you're gonna fucking love it. Tips for starters, don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Thank you, Dad ran away. What, you don't like it? Thank you very much, Dad ran away, for the follow. Go watch my beginners video, Sean. It's on YouTube. Tom_trades1 with a Z. And go watch the 1 hour one. Ooh. What strategy do you use? I use a mean reversion strategy, using an expert advisor, and it martingales me into a position at a appropriate scaling, 1.3 times. Oh, Jesus, I had it with my whole heart. Why? Kasaku person. I can't even fucking read that. Thank you very much for following me. Let's go Romanian? True. No, why would you do that? What do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about. CC Kit, thank you very much for following. Why would you unpin my comment? Don't do that. It has to be 30 to 60 second videos and can be faceless. I've just looked into it tonight, trying to make money. Yeah. Do you need to be like an established influencer first? If it's not too much to ask, could you show how you apply your strat and conditions involved? That'd give away my whole strategy, and that's for the mentorship guys. But I can give you an example. I saw only 50 followers. Is that Amazon Vine? Or is that what you're talking about? And fuck, we don't even need to talk about this, but give it a crack, I guess. Seems a bit too good to be true. Yeah, okay. Alrighty, so. Let's say, for example, we're in a strong downtrend and we're in an extent. Oh, this is a terrible fucking example. I need to go on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 1 hour. Alright. There's like a million examples here that I can. Let's do a short. Let's do a short. Okay, so can you see that all right? Actually, here. Okay, you should be able to. Ooh, yeah, okay. So let's say we've had a strong level of buyers. My bot will detect that through specific conditions and it will put in a sell, right? Now, usually we'd probably get out here, but let's say for argument's sake, we don't get out there. And so we get in here. This is our initial position. Oh no, the market continues to go up. We don't use a stop loss because stop losses are for losers. And we continue to go up and that's fine. What happens is we detect, my bot detects that we're in another extended condition. Hey, it'll put in another sell. What does that mean? Our break even goes to here. Let's say our take profit is down here, right? Oh no, we've continued to go up. We didn't take profit. We continued to go, that's okay. Hey, we're in another extended condition. It will detect that through certain market conditions, certain indicators, shit like that. Oh no, we're up here. We take another position, scaling in at 1.3x, depending, I mean, you can do whatever the fuck you want, but I use 1.3 times. And then, oh no, our break-even level's here. Where's our take profit? Let's say we want to fill this gap here. Let's put our take profit down here. Eventually, take profit. And you can see it happening over and over again. Oh, extended, boom. Didn't just hit our TP. Oh, we don't have to be right. We don't have to time our trades correctly every time because you can't. It's impossible. Otherwise, everyone would be fucking godillionaires. And I know, our break even is here. We only need this much to take profit. Bzz. Bzz. There you go. And obviously you use the help of fundamentals and other specific indicators to help. But yeah. That's an example. Are you talking about UGC creators? Bro, why are there so many blocks? They're 1, 2, 3 gaps or fair value gaps or wide range bars, whatever you want to call them. The Amazon Vine program. Same conditions for longs as well. Yep, exact same. Also, what pairs do you trade and 1 hour? 1 hour is my high time frame and 5 minutes is my lower time frame. But you can choose almost any. It's best to have a 1 hour high time frame bias for exhaustion, and then a lower time frame for a potential reversal where it will get you into the trade. So I use 1 hour highly time frame and 5 minute lower time frame for my entry. You can use 4 hour 15. You can use daily 4 hour. You're going to get a lot less trades, but you can obviously adjust your risk to however you please. These are all customizable options, right? So it's all done through a bot, but you can set your TPs to where you want and customize basically all the fucking options that you need. And yes, I developed it. So, and I've been using this same strategy for years. Years and years. YouTube. Hi, where are you from? And what's the broker name? I'm from Brisbane, Bade, or Bade. And the broker name is linked in my description on YouTube. Black Bull Markets. It is an affiliate link, but I probably won't get paid a single cent for it. But they are the best broker in my opinion. Oh yeah, pairs, all of them. So any major pair. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, pound, euro, US dollar, CAD, Swiss yen. However, All my Swiss and yens are turned off, except for US dollar yen and pound Swiss. So pretty much, oh fuck, you probably won't be able to see it. Any of these, you probably can't fucking see it. It's so loud. Rupert, thank you very much for following me. Any of these, I don't know if you can see any of them, but yeah. Would this strategy be applicable to crypto? Nah. Thinking the volatility different there without stop loss? Yeah, no, that's criminal. You wouldn't be able to use it. Thank you, Johnny J Visuals, for following me. Dear God. That's so fucked. But any strategy is virtually useless on crypto. So it doesn't move like normal markets move. It's so manipulated. It's fucking horrible. So yeah, I wouldn't bother with even trying to trade crypto. Fucking hell, these likes. Michelle, 18,000. Holy shit. And Charles is still going. What scam is being peddled now? I use leverage. Oh, please tell me you have a face. No, unfortunately. Damn. No face. Fake account. Damn. Oh well. Okay. How much leverage do you usually use and how much capital associated with that in a trade? Well, my leverage is 1 to 500. How much capital associated with that in a trade? Bro, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Not a lot, because I only risk 0.1 to 0.25% in a trade. So on my overall capital, it wouldn't be a lot. And again, it doesn't particularly matter either about how much leverage I use, because I'm risking so little, and my lot sizes are based on my account size. So yeah, can you break down your pre-market open analysis? I don't know what the fuck you want me to do on what market. Like, I'm not trading indices or anything at the moment. Jesus. Floyd, thank you very much for following me. God, dear God. MP Cuts, thank you very much for following me. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck you want me to do. 1 hour 41. Have we reached our like goal yet? Oh, we got 12k likes left. Oh, and we've got like 100 minutes of views left. So if I go live if I'm live for 20 more minutes, okay, I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. Stay live for like 20-ish more minutes. And then we'll probably hit our 100k goal. And then we get 75 more fucking diamonds or whatever. Whatever these things are. I don't even know what they are. What are they? Diamonds, yeah. So 75 more. 560 to 640. But it's not telling me how many I have. How fucking stupid is that? It's like halfway through, so I can't actually see how many I have. Fucking point in that. Okay, well. Got something. What up, Sem? Do you prefer Sem or El Tino? How are we? Thank you for liking. El Tino? Alright, I'll call you El Tino from now on. Sorry. How are we, bud? How are you? Oh, we got 11k likes left. I don't know if we'll hit it. Michelle's about to hit fucking 20k again. Insane. Charles 11.3. Meegsy 6.6. She's back. Sienna seems like she's gone. 3.6 though. Birchop 900. Speedy 800. Campbell Norris 700. Narukio 300. Amen 246. And that's it. I think we need some liking spam. Michelle can stop. Michelle, you probably want to hit 20k, but once you hit 20k, that's enough. That's fucking insane. And thank you very much. Number 1 liker again. Fucking absolutely insane. Thank you very much. Very much helps. You live most evenings in the week, every night, yeah. Unless I'm suspended, which happens extremely often. But yeah, most nights, 5:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, give or take 15 minutes. I'm usually live, yep. Or unless I'm fucking out in an appointment or some shit, but I'll usually update the Discord if that's the case. If I'm not gonna go live, I might throw a message in there or some shit. Damn, that's fucking cheap. I want to buy that. What up, Josh? We can crank out another 10k, you reckon? Thanks, mate. Glad I stumbled across you. No stress. Glad you found me, because I am here to help. Catch you next week. Too easy. Sunday night, I might be live Sunday night too. So, stay tuned. But yeah, have a good night. Have a good weekend. Take it easy. Do we need 10K? 8. We only need 8. We're at 92. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck. Dying down. Don't let it die. We still got 10 minutes. Ladies and gentle balls. We still got 10 minutes. Anything happening? Fuck, this is when shit gets bad, when you start looking at the low impact news. Oh fuck, I didn't mean to do that. Can I get rid of that now? Nobody even listens to these fucking people, so... Bit of a drop on new home sales. If we get a really negative number, we might see some US dollar weakness, which might be good for you, Speedy, if you're still in here, but that might not do enough to get you over the line. I don't know. So that auto corrected didn't make much sense. Well, he didn't say anything. TikTok probably filtered it out. What do we got? We're almost there, guys. Almost at the fucking finish line. John Wick. Was he coming to kill me? Oh, yeah. Dear Lord. Leighton Pack. Depending on the pips. That's a mad name. I like it. And you're like a ridiculously high gift level. You're probably the highest gift level I've ever seen in here. 32. It's pretty cool. You're fucking lucky. You get like a special tag when it comes up. Yeah, what were you going to say? Just said you reckon unrealized tax labor are doing... You reckon unrealized tax labor are doing will pass? Hope not. I got no idea. Are you a big deal? Holy shit! How do you have 20... Oh, I was going to say, how do you have 23,000 followers but no videos? But... Nah. True. What are you a big deal in, Mr. Wick? Dear Lord, that's horrible. Danae, I think it is. Yeah, I don't know if that's an A. Danae, thank you very much for following. Okay. I couldn't fucking read that. I have videos. My name is John Wick because my work. Oh, shit. What do you do? I'm following you. I follow like 3 people, so feel special. Why the fuck do you have a 32 gifter level? I got liquidated, 20k, broke my PC. Oh. Really? Like, actually? Yes, it is. Okay, cool. Ty Lopez Trades, how we doing? What up, Dang? I'm good, how are you? I just got back from Ukraine. Seriously? You know what's crazy? I never watched the war videos or anything, but I actually did a few days ago. Brian Stewart, do you trade during the high impact news? Yes, I do. I don't really give a shit. Oh, we're so close to... Bro, 71k likes is crazy. Actually, we got 4 hours until open. Why are we awake? Are you American? Well, good on you for going out and fucking fighting and fucking all of that shit. I appreciate what you do, no matter what side. Actually, and now I'm depressed. Bro, it happens. Don't let it discourage you. This is a good learning experience that, you know, maybe something needs to change. So don't let it discourage you. It's all good. We've all, I mean, I haven't been there, but I've had big losses that fucking hurt, and it's okay. You just shouldn't have broken your fucking PC, but that's life. You fucked up. Thank you very much for following me. Just pick yourself up, take a break or whatever, chill out, and it's going to be all right. Time, you know, you're going to look back at this and look at it as a learning curve. Or you can self-destruct, whatever the fuck you want to do. No one's going to sit there and fucking hold your hand. You got to do it yourself. So get stuck into it. Have a break, take the weekend off, and then fucking get back to work on Monday. Doing well, bro. That's good. Gift a badge. There's a lot of downtime. Fair enough, yeah. I'm Aussie. I do it for the money. Do ya? Fucking hell. Did you see that guy, like, fucking... I don't even know. You actually might know. Some guy, some Aussie went fucking missing. Or some shit. He might be feared to be dead. He's a ranger like me. I actually saw that the other day. And then I ended up seeing all these videos of the war, and I was like, fucking Christ. But thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. Yeah, that shit's wild, man. Shit's fucking wild. He was detained by Russian soldiers. So he's alive? I mean, that's a good start. What am I looking for? Oh, TikTok. Oh, we're so close. We're so close. Okay, we hit 1 goal. Oh, shit. Dang. Thank you very much for the heart, me. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. It's fucking super nice of you. Thank you very much. Yeah, he's in a Russian jail. True. Okay, well, that's good, I guess. I mean, it's better than being dead. Probably not good. That's probably pretty bad, but yeah. Charles, thank you very much for sharing with all your friends. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate. We've got a lot of love tonight, so I didn't think this stream was going to do too well. Michelle, 21,500 likes. Charles, 13. Migsy, 8.5. Fuck, you guys have absolutely killed it tonight, and I really appreciate that. So thank you very much. We hit our goal. You can stop liking now. Cut it out. We've hit the goal. No more. That's fucking insane, Michelle. 21,000 fucking likes. Like, holy shit. I'm gonna look up this Russian prisoner thing. I don't think it was that guy. It was someone different. Yeah, I think it was a different guy. I don't know if John Wick's still here, but... God damn it. It was this guy. Is this the guy you're thinking of? Because I know there was another one. Yeah, different guy. Yeah, no, that guy I saw was like a week ago. I saw it for a couple of days on the news, and now there's nothing. I guess what else is there to do? Like, I think the other guy was a ranger too. Maybe I should be there. Apparently that's what rangers do. Go to war. Too many teachers and plumbers running to war zones to be the hero. Really? Fucking hell. Well, good job for what you do, and you earned your fucking title. Yo, how do you feel about CITA? I don't know what that is. Thinking they will make a difference. Don Perry, thank you very much for following. What am I trading? Forex? Nah, different guy. They go over with no training. Yeah, fuck. Best tip for a beginner? Don't believe all the bullshit you see online. Best tip. And learn from me instead of everyone else. Because they're liars. Alright, what have we got? Mad. We're about to hit the tier 3 flares, which we won't get because there's no way we're getting fucking 5,500 fucking diamonds. Absolutely fucking no chance. If Fletcher or fucking Josh were in here, probably, because they'd send like $1 trillion fucking dollars worth of gifts. Oh well. Any idea where to start learning how to predict the charts? So there is no such thing as predicting the charts. 75 fucking K. Good job, guys. Thank you very much. And stop liking. You don't need to anymore. It's all good. I appreciate that, though. Yeah, you can't predict the charts, but you can create an edge, essentially. God, Jesus, that's bad. Join my Discord. Watch the 1 hour video. It's free. I give away a lot of shit for free. What am I trading? Forex. So foreign exchange market, currencies. 75K. Yeah, that's fucking nuts. Block. Okay. Did he block me? He didn't even block me. Okay. And one, thank you very much for following me. I don't know if I just said that. Fair King is doing so many trades, hard to keep up when it comes to doing your taxes. Get an accountant. What is your success rate each month? It changes every month. but I'm at about 7.5% of my account per month. Oh yeah, nice. I'm in a few gold trades at the moment. Nice, nice, nice. Trading gold after war is crazy. Fucking nuts. All right, guys, 2 hours done and dusted. I'm off. Got to do some other stuff. And I'll be back most likely Sunday. I doubt I'll be hungover. So Sunday, 5:45 p.m, maybe Australian Eastern Standard Time. We'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. If not, I'll just be back standard Monday. But thank you all very much for tuning in. Thank you guys so much for liking the live, sending the donations. Bertchop, Dang, Matt, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle, for sending 5 billion fucking likes. Thank you for all the followers and all the comments. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a fantastic Friday evening. And I'll see you guys on Monday or Sunday. We'll see. See you later. Good night, guys. Have a good weekend too. I will. See you later.